अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और जितने भी होंगे खुश और होंगे। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोर्ड इन डिटेल। अगर आप भी हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस के अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। The power distribution board (PDB) is a crucial component in electrical and electronic systems, responsible for distributing electrical power to various components or circuits within a system. Here are detailed breakdown. Functionality: first is power distribution. It channels electrical power from a single source like power supply unit to multiple outputs or components. Second point is voltage regulation. It includes voltage regulation to ensure that the voltage supplied to different components is stable within required and specification. Third is protection. Provides circuit protection for fuses or circuits break to prevent damage from overload or short circuits. Components. First is bus bar, metal strip or bars that conduct electricity and connect different parts of the board. Second is connector, terminals or sockets where power cables are connected to the board. Third point is fuses, circuits, breakers, safety. Devices that disconnect the circuit in case of an overload or fault condition. Fourth point is voltage regulators, components that adjust the voltage level to ensure stable output. Fifth point is capacitor, inductor, used for filtering and stabilizing the power supply. Design consideration: current rating: the board must be designed to handle the maximum current it will be subjected to without overheating. Second point is thermal management. Advocate heat dissipation measures. The heat sink or cooling fans are important to prevent overheating. Third point is layout. Proper spacing and layout to minimize interference and ensure safe, efficient power distribution. Application: first is industry, used in machinery and factory environment to manage and distribute power. The second point is consumer electronics, modern device like computer, television and audio equipment to ensure stable power delivery. Third point is automotive. In a vehicle, PDBs distribute power to various electronic systems and components. Fourth point is renewable energy. In solar power system, they have distribute power from solar panels to batteries and other components. Installation and maintenance. First is installation. Require adherence to planning and adherence to electrical codes and standards. Ensure safety and efficiency. Second is maintenance, regular inspections and testing to ensure proper operation and address any issues like wear or damage. Understanding the design and function of a power distribution board is essential for ensuring reliable and safe operation of electrical system. ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको समझ लग गई होगी, और अगर आपको भी हमारी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा।